guys, what's up and welcome to this IVE dance workout. If you want more IVE, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. We have a 15-minute full IVE mashup dance workout out now. Before we get started, real quick, this workout is actually sponsored by Dossier, one of my all-time favorite perfume brands that I have been raving about for a long time now. Dossier makes affordable alternatives to high-end luxury perfumes. Think your Tom Ford, YSL, etc. All of their perfumes come in a cute little box like this. If you open up the box, you'll see there's a little description. This scent right here is Aromatic Pineapple. I particularly love all of Dossier's fruity and floral scents. This one is inspired by a YSL perfume. And in the box here, you'll see the big perfume bottle right here. And then my favorite feature, which is this little trial size bottle, so that you can actually try out their perfumes for 30 days before committing to the big purchase. All of Dossier's perfumes are also 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and made in France. So if you want to look good, smell good, no matter what you're doing, long-lasting perfume, Dossier right here, be sure to check them out, linked in the description down below. Alright guys, let's get dancing!
It's our time, 우린 달라, 특별한 게 좋아, oh what a good time. 난 잘 살아, 내 걱정 낭비야. 네가 보낸 DM을 읽고 나서 답이 없는 게 내 답이야. That's my style. OOTD 하나같이 완전 우리답지 my favorite things. 그런 것들은 좀 점수를 매기지 마. 난 생겨먹은 대로 사는 애야 뭘 더 바래. That's my style. 지금까지 한 적 없는 custom fit 올려대는 나의 feed and like it 몰린 듯이 눌러 모두 다 like it 내가 추는 춤을 다들 따라춰 매일 너의 알고리즘에 난 떠 걷잡을 수 없이 올라 미친 sport 그 누구도 예상 못할 19s kids 우리만의 자유로운 19s kids 우리만의 자유로운 19s kids 우리만의 자유로운 19s kids 우리만의 자유로운 19s kids 숨긴 너의 의도대로 따라가진 않을 거야 난 똑똑하니까 난 절대 끌리지 않는 것에 끌려가지 않아 That's my style That's my style 우리만의 자유로운 90s kids 지금까지 한 적 없는 custom fit 올려대는 나의 feed and like it 몰린 듯이 눌러 모두 다 like it 내가 추는 춤을 다들 따라춰 매일 너의 알고리즘에 난 떠 걷잡을 수 없이 올라 미친 score 그 누구도 예상 못할 90s kids 우리만의 자유로운 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 Yeah 모두 주목해 내가 좋아하는 것만 하면 뭐 1, 2, 3, fire. I hope you be so my dreams come true. 제일 작은 어느 날의 데자뷰 머물고 큰 어딘가에 낯선 view. I'll be far away. That's my life is unknown. Yeah, let's see. Be alright. 날 장르로는 fantasy. 매일 내게 열리는 건 big big stage. So that is who I am.
Awesome job, guys! Workout complete. If you like this workout, be sure to check out my 15-minute IVE mashup out now on Patreon. This is a really upper body, arms, and core toning 15-minute dance workout. Alright, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.